Okay, welcome back, and this is another video of me grinding lead code, but the SQL version. Let's go ahead and open up Safari and find ourselves an easy lead code SQL problem. And we're going to try to finish before 10:25 today. Problem list, this one is easy, but it's locked. I might have finished halfway through with this one, so I'm going to go with this one. Alright, rearrange product table. Alright, so let's see what we have here. Write a solution to rearrange the product table so that each row has a product ID, store, and price. If a product is not available in a store, do not include a row with that product ID and store ID combination in the result table. Return in any order. So input, product 0 is available in store 1 and store 2 and store 3. Product 1 is available in 70, null, 70, and 80. Okay. Well, can I do a self join here? And price. Oh my god. Okay. Well, how the hell did I do that? Okay, so we know we're going to be returning store product ID. Select product ID, and then case as store, right? Case, let's see, what do we have? Case when store 1, then when store 1, then store 1. It does say 3 different store. Alright, let's look this up. I don't think I learned this yet. Hang on. Let's go to Notion real quick. Notion. Can I use a subquery in this case? Select star where store 1 is not null. Can I do a self join? Okay. Select star where from P from products P join product P1 and P2 where P1.store where P2.store not equal to null is not none, is not null, P2.store 2 is not null, P3 store P2 2-store 3 not null. Let's see what it does. Yeah, I don't think that's a limit. Give me 1 second. Let me go turn on a light here because my room is getting too dark. Okay. It is snowing outside, so this is gonna be the better. We have to do case here, don't we? Yeah. Select product ID. Cool. If store 1, when store 1 is not null, then store 1. I don't know about this one. Let's look at the solution. Hang on. Let's look at Google. How to combine SQL. How to combine multiple column into one. Select concat. No. Into one with multiple row. SQL, how to transpose column into rows. There we go. John, okay. I know how to do that, but column to row, subject, Chinese 74, I know how to do this, but I don't know how to do that. Create table, that's the same for data. Select start from row to column. Column to row. Row to column. Column to row. Name as name, subject as subject, result as result. Name as name, from select name, from Chinese as subject. Chinese as subjects. Result. Chinese as subject. Store 1 as store. Connect. What is Chinese at here? Oh, okay. Oh, Chinese mathematics and physics. Well, that's not really doing what I want to do. Well, as store. Yeah, that's what I need. Select name, store as store1, comma Chinese, as result from row, as result. Select name Chinese as subject. As subject. Select store1 as store, store2 as store, and store3 as store from product. What happened when we concatenate all of those columns together? Okay, so expected, we got store, store, and store. Store1 as store. Okay, I just renamed the column. Chinese. He's doing multiple select statement. So the first select will give us all the oh, I see what you're doing. Select store1 as store, select store2 as store, select store3 as store. Run it. From product. What the fuck? Okay. In union all. Union all. Oh, okay. Let's just copy whatever this is and then reverse engineer it. Select name. Let's say instead of name, we're going to call this product ID, right? Product ID. Product ID. Product ID. And this is going to be store1. Store1 as store. Store and price. Store1 as price. Price. Store3. And this is store2. Mathematic. This is store2. Store2 as, and this is store3 as store3. And this is gonna be store as store and price as price. And table is called product. And we don't need to do order by anything. Here goes nothing. Every derived table must have its own alias. Okay. From as price as derived unknown column price fieldless. Store 2 and price store 1 0 and 1, and then we can do an order by store product product ID and product ID. Alright, cool. What's going on here? Where price is not no. What about product ID? Well, holy shit, that worked. Well, I still have no idea what it's doing. Let's look at the solution. Where store 1 is not null. Where store 1 is not null. Union. Oh. So it's multiple select statement. Select product ID. Store 1 from store. As price. As store 1 as price. From product. Where store 1 is not null. Union. So the union operator combined multiple query. Alright, let me try that. I'm going to remove this real quick because I don't want to see it. So the goal here is to use the union operator to join multiple query select statement. Let me look at my note real quick. Yeah, I didn't know about this, but I didn't know about union. Combine two select statement to match up as a column. Yeah, I should have probably put an example here. Okay, maybe that's why I'm struggling with this one. So the first thing we need to do is we need to select product ID, store, and the term store 1. We wanted to return store 1. So store. What does do? What does that do? From product. What does that do? What did that just do? It select the name store 1 as store. Wait, let me ask ChatGPT here because I can totally finish. What does that do? Why can't we just do store here? I don't store 1 here as store. Well, that's going to return auto value of store 1, because this is where the value is for store, right? This is where the value for store 1 is. This is where the value for store 1 going to get stored. So give me auto value for store, but instead of value for store 1, we can do store 1 as store. But why is it not getting auto value of auto store? Oh, because there's only 2 product ID here. But then we have more. As store. And we want to have the price of store. Store 1 as the price. As price. From product. Where. From product. Where store 1 dot price is not null. Union, we grab this chunk. I'm going to paste it a couple more times here. Okay, now instead of store 1, we can do store 2 here. Store 2. The price is just not null. But how does it know? Because if we do store 1 as price, that's all the value of store 1 as the price. And we don't need to know store 2. Store 2 in this format. Submit. Price, the unknown column price. The price is not null as price. Where store 1 is not null because price only get assigned at the very end. So this is store 2 and this is store 3. Interesting. So that's how you do multiple column. Result as result. This is pretty redundant. Order by, this is so that we can order by. That's just where we can combine all of this and do an order by whatever. So the output is staggered, but if we want to combine all of this, right? So select star of everything from as subquery order by product ID. And that should work. Yeah, that's what order by product ID. And because we're doing a subquery here, it's basically doing the same thing. So that's a pretty good result. What I'm going to do is I'm going to combine all of this and put it inside my notes because I did not know about this. There we go. Okay, now that way I have an example, two or more select statement. As long as the column matched up, that's the most important part. All right. Have a good day, guys, and goodbye.